Watch me make it pop, 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 baby, I can't stop, stop, stop. Fingers.
Hey y'all, so this is the story of the lost mini baby. This was gifted to me a while ago and I never did anything with it. I just set it aside. So you guys get to watch me put it together now. Quick disclaimer, when I had put it in storage, I lost the receiving blanket and the diaper. So after we put the carriage together, I'm going to attempt to make a custom diaper for this baby. Okay, now that we got the carriage done, I'm going to work on getting her a diaper so we can get her bottom covered. I do still have the bonnet, and so that was good, but we can't leave the baby naked, so we're going to have to make her a little pattern for a diaper. now that we got a paper pattern, let's work on doing the cloth diaper itself on a piece of scrap fabric. I tried to use some of those little Velcro dots from the Dollar Tree and adhere to the front and the back. So the Dollar Tree Velcro dots did not work that well for me, so I went ahead and grabbed some of the Velcro that I had and just cut it to size. Added a 1/8 seam allowance around so we have some clean edges. And there you have it, a diaper for baby. Thanks for watching, and you guys have a great day. Bye.